them. Look at that. It's getting crazy. Wow, man. Look at that shit. What's going on over there? Is that spaceship still standing over there? Wow, look at that. Wow, man, it's bugging me out, man. Look at that shit, baby. Can't make any noise, no thunder, no nothing. I know, it's weird. Let's just have it over there, too, a little bit over there. Lightning doesn't go straight up, bro. I hate to tell you that. I never seen lightning go up straight up. Go straight down. See that lightning just come out the side? The clouds are not moving, it's staying in one spot too. It's breaking up, like, so it's weird. It's blocking something out. I know, man, it's creepy. Look at that, it's with weird colors. Look at that shit. Come on, mommy, let's go with that low. What blows that low? Wow, look at that fucking show, huh? What? I know, you noticed that. Everybody's going nuts. Don't make any booms or nothing. It's weird, no thunder. All that lightning with no thunder, something's wrong. Something's coming through. See that little purple light? This kid's like, look at this fucking shit. Nope, no sound at all. No thunder, nothing. It's no fucking light show, I'll tell you that much. Something's coming through. There's a portal open or something. See, there's a purple light that's popping up. See at the end? Watch, you'll see a purple light. Watch, a little purple light. I'm seeing it through the camera. I don't think you can see it with your bare eye. That one right there. I just see 4 different colors. That's wild, man. No noise, come on, that's bullshit. It's turning into something now. Now it's turning into something, see it? Now it's turning into something. Now it's turning into something. See it? It's gonna turn into something. This thing's a fucking spaceship or some shit. See the lightning going sideways up there? Really weird. I've never seen shit like this before. I see a lot of lightning storms. I've never seen it like this before. It's like a storm cloud. No thunder? Doesn't make sense. I know, it's not moving any. It's not breaking up or nothing. No, it's not breaking up or nothing. It's flat, shelved on top too. It's got a shelf on top. It's got a shelf on top too. See, it's flat on top. See, it's flat on top, baby. There's my something on top. Something's come out of the top of it. See it? Like, where's the lights up on top? Something's come out of the top of it. Nothing. See the lightning just swirl? Look at it. See it swirls? Under, over. There's nothing coming straight down. Florida's fucking crazy with shit. Look at that. See that fucking swing? Perfect time to get my camera, yeah? It thawed out little by little, like every 30 seconds. Now it's just going every second now. It's flying through shit now. It's a lot of power, that fucking thing. It's only one little cell. Hear me? Cell ain't gonna make that much fucking. That's too much. That's too much disturbance for one little cell. Look how small that thing is. It's just that one square. Look at flat on top, baby. They don't make flat clouds like that. It's like flat on top. It's weird looking. It's not even like weird. It's weird looking. It's like a cloud bank. It just looks strange. Blocking something. It could be smoke for all we fucking know.
No, that's a cloud.
It's coming over here and I see it over here. Attacking the fucking aliens. Wow, it's buggy, man. Let me zoom up on this a little bit. Let me see something. Wow, that's creepy, man. Check out the whole thing. Oh, you always see more film for some reason. You know what I'm saying? You always see more with the camera for some reason. You do it with the naked eye. See that? Sideways? Sideways? Shooting sideways and it's going straight up too. Lightning goes straight. Look at that. See that? It went in a circle. Went in a circle, went up. Look at that one. Whoa, that's wild, bro.
That was nice.
That was a nice one.
I'm glad you're getting this on camera.
I know, it's pretty wild. It's a wild show.
I can't get over how it's just right there.
I know, it's crazy. I can't sit here all night. I'm not gonna watch it all night. It's gonna get worse and worse. It's gonna get worse and worse. It's gonna get better and better. It's gonna get better and better. You know what I'm talking about. It's not gonna get worse. It's gonna keep getting more extreme. I think. I can't say I'm running out of time on my fucking camera. I said this to Mr. MMB when we let me see what he thinks of it. They do that right there. If I have send in, I see how I send it in. I try to change that. I try to change this. Everything try to change a little bit. It's getting bigger and bigger. You notice it?
It's like
It's getting bigger.
rounded, yes.
Yeah, it's getting bigger now.
The cloud
You know, it's getting
slightly
puffy.
moving.
Yeah.
Slightly.
I see that. One.
But it's all in one step.
Yeah, it's
all
one.
in one circular.
Yeah, it's one. It's one. What's it called?
It's almost domed.
Yeah, it does look like a dome. It's inside a dome. Yeah. It's one. It's one cell.
See how it, but you see how it's just like a rounded area?
Yeah, it's weird.
Look at the
Look,
top
look at
part.
that. They're still sitting there. Look at that.
Far.
Look at over there next to it. Look, going into it again.
Yeah,
See, it's flying
that's
into
a
it.
different one.
That's a
Listen
different
to
one.
me.
That thing's fine.
If you come from where I'm standing, the top of the clouds,
Right.
it's circular.
I know. I see
It's
that.
a circular area.
Look at that cloud. That thing going to it. Stops right in the middle to it. Just stop. Watch it. It'll just stop right in the middle of it. Watch it.
No,
Just.
it's going through.
It stops and when it comes out, it stops on the end though. That's the same way it's
That's a
going
little
through.
plane. No,
Look
there's
at
a
that.
few of them that pass by. even when you went inside.
Yeah, but stop it at the end when it comes out. I noticed it stayed right then. It wasn't moving. It was staying. Look at that much fucking stuff coming out. That's
But
fucking.
you see how it's rounded?
Yeah, it's starting to be really weird. It really creepy now. The bugs are all crazy too. I know.
I know the night critters are going nuts.
No full
But
moon
yet
time.
the amount of stars out tonight is insane. Look up.
I know, man. I know. It's crazy when I saw that. You don't really see them too much. I'm surprised usually where we are, till dark in here, you see mountain. We should be like upstate New York or something. Where you see everything.
But, I mean, we could see as many. Yeah, there's so many out tonight.
It's not as much as upstate New York.
No, I know.
Pretty good.
Because
I didn't think it was that light
they're
out here.
higher.
I can't believe how much stuff these cells got. No sound, no thunder yet.
Nothing.
Not
Not a
one
bubble,
sound,
nothing.
nothing. Let's go towards us. Something just so something new.
Are you nervous?
Oh, look at some meat now. It looks like people come out of it now. Look, it looks like fucking bodies.
They can make waffles.
What?
You want waffles?
I could definitely go for a waffle. Absolutely. Go for two of them, in fact. Starving. I go for two. Come on, let's get some waffles. I'm not gonna watch it. It looks like it's making people out of the fucking. I'm done watching Superstar. Bye, Superstar. Have fun tonight. Bye bye.